Hey, it's Boudreaux Eunice on call. How y'all are today? Well, part 2 of the pizza. Miss Missy's gonna take it out here in a couple seconds. Boy, that looks good. After 15 minutes. Oh yeah. And oh, there she is. Homemade pizza. Alright. We're going to let that cool down a little while. Then we're going to cut it down the middle, the other middle, up the back, down the side, and back down the other side. Oh yeah, there we go. And that crust is going to be just perfect on the bottom. I like mine crunchy. I like a thin crust. Not thin cracker, but, well, I do like the cracker crust, but I don't like them big old thick pan pizzas where you got more bread than anything else. No, you get full on bread and not meat and cheese and your toppings. You know, your veggies. Like my veggies on there. Well, that's just a little update on the homemade pizza because, well, we done ate too much gumbo with all this cold weather we've been having. Man, Mom, it's been too bad with all that cold weather. And too much of the cold weather. This is our third snow of the winter. We didn't see snow 3 times in Eunice, Louisiana. But the Gulf of Mexico, 75 miles south, was snowing just a couple of weeks ago. We had snow in December, and we had snow yesterday, too, and it was a lot, too, both times. And it stuck to the ground. You know, when you can measure it with a ruler, you know, 3 inches, 4, 5, 6 inches, that's it. So, and then we got icicles, popsicles, like Missy was saying, hanging off the roofs. Yeah. So, all right. Well, we're going to holler at y'all. Plutai. Say bye, Miss Missy. Say bye.
Bye.
All right. Holler at y'all. Plutai.